Amidst the symphony of azure and waves, filled with freedom and joy, I clad in the attire of the sea, set to embark on a broader journey because I wish to achieve more, to challenge the stony paths, the thicket of shrubs, the mud, the swamps. Every scratch is a testament to pushing limits. Standing atop the peak, I proclaim to the world I possess infinite possibilities, boldly displaying my personality and attitude, constantly meeting, hearing, seeing, witnessing every firm step you take. Of course, it is a very interesting journey. At this moment, I want to redefine myself. I am more than just a pair of deck shoes. I can do much more. Better.